In this video, I am going to solve this system of linear equations using the elimination/addition method. In order to solve this system, we need to first make sure that we have the equations expressed in this form: ax plus by is equal to c. We want to express it in this format. The constant is on the right and ax plus by, and we kind of organize them or structure them in this way. In our system, in this one and this one, both of these equations are in this format, so we don't need to worry about it. However, when we use this elimination method, or sometimes which is also called addition method, we eliminate one of the variables and solve for the other. So let's go ahead and eliminate x. So from this system, I am going to eliminate x and solve for y. We need to look at the coefficients of x. So x has coefficient of 3 here and coefficient of 4. LCD of 3 and 4 is 12. So our objective is going to be to change. Our objective is to change this equation in such a way so that the coefficient is, let's say, 12, and change this one in such a way so that the coefficient is negative 12. By the way, I could have made this coefficient negative 12 and this one positive 12. It doesn't matter. So that when we add them, they cancel out. So what I need to do, I need to take the first equation and multiply it by negative 4. So let's multiply this one by negative 4. So it's going to be negative 4 times 3x is going to be negative 12x. And then negative 4 times negative 4y is positive 16y is equal to negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Now that the coefficient here is negative 12, I got to make sure that the coefficient I get from the second equation is positive 12. In order to achieve that, I just need to multiply this equation by 3. If I do that, it's going to be 12x. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times 5y is 15y is equal to 3 times 2 is 6. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add these two equations. So negative 12x, positive 12x cancel out, and 16y plus 15y is 31y, and on the right hand side negative 4 plus 6 is 2. Now I divide both sides by 31, so I will get y is equal to 2 over 31. So that's the y value. Now we are gonna do a similar process, but this time we are gonna eliminate y and solve for x. Now look at the coefficients, which is negative 4 and 5. So the coefficients are negative 4 and 5, and the LCD, the positive value of LCD, least common denominator, is gonna be 20. So we are looking for 20 here. Now we are going to multiply the first equation by, so this equation by 5. So it's going to be 3x times 5 is going to be 15x. Negative 4y times 5 is going to be negative 20y is equal to 1 times 5 is 5, this. Now I'm going to take the second equation and multiply it by 4. So it's going to be 4 times 4x is 16x. 4 times 5y is 20y is equal to 4 times 2 is 8. Now if we add these two equations, look, negative 20y, positive 20y, they cancel. And 15x plus 16x is 31x is equal to 5 plus 8 is 13. Now I divide both sides by 31. That's going to give me x is equal to 13 over 31. And that's the x value. So now Let's go ahead and put some perspective to these numbers. So we found x comma y is equal to actually 13 over 31 comma 2 over 31. That's the solution to this given system of linear equations. Now what does this mean? It means this. Basically, if this is one straight line and that's the other straight line that are being represented by these two equations, this point is the point of intersection. That means these are the coordinates of the point of intersection, which is this point. So this is the point of intersection and the coordinates of the point of intersection is this. So in essence, when we are trying to find the solution for a system of linear equations, we are finding the coordinates of the point of intersection. These coordinates are going to satisfy both of these equations, this one and this one. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.